Hey, what's happening?
Not much, just watching a movie, nothing special.
Oh, I seen your text, but I'm out riding my bike.
Oh, that's good. Beautiful day.
Yeah, I had the drone flying, following us, so I got two sections of the bike trail with the drone flying.
Oh, that's cool.
So, yeah, it was kind of cool. It was kind of a fiasco, but I got them both done without losing the drone, so that was good.
Yeah, that's a little risky.
But I'm going down, we're almost to the airport. We're going to go up to the end of the bike trail and then cut over to the truck store and get my helmet.
Oh, right. That's good. Save your bean, your brain.
Yeah, hopefully nobody's got germs, but anyhow, that's where I'm going.
Well, did you bring your mask?
Oh, I got a mask. That don't help from catching it, though.
Oh, it might.
Well, I gotta say it might. You're right.
That's right.
There's no harm in wearing it, that's for sure.
No, it takes those droplets out. It does. Well, that's good. You got a nice day to ride.
Oh yeah, it's a good one. Yeah, we're gonna come back when we get done. I'm gonna do some more studying, and then Crystal's she's got to vacuum because the guy said to vacuum before he treats it. And he's coming to treat carpet tomorrow for the bugs.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, that's the last.
We don't have any bugs, but we don't care. We're still gonna get it treated anyway.
Yeah, I would too. Make sure to knock them out.
Yep.
Sounds good.
Looks like a good day for flying. I should be out in my airplane. We got plenty to do though without adding that though.
Yeah. Take a break.
Yep. All right, well, I got my camera rolling, so you're on candid camera to boot.
Okay.
All right, love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. What's he trying to catch? Huh? Oh, today's Sunday, ain't it? Oh, yeah, that's why everybody and their brother's out, because nobody has to work. I wondered why there were so many airplanes flying. Heck if I know. Yep, here's Page Field. Yep, taking off. Okay, we got to cross, but there's a car, so hang on. And what was the difference in them two helmets? One was more expensive. Yeah, we don't care about that, do we? Yeah, jamming to some music.
One was, it had that little flip-up plastic thing for GoPro, which made it like $100 more for stupid. You could super glue it.
Well, GoPros come with mounts. You can just stick them on and be done with it. I got GoPro on my bicycle. I don't think I need one on my helmet.
You could get one of them little suction cup things and stick it on there for about $1.
Now, I'm not sure about the next portion of the journey, but I think we want to cross the street.
You tried them and you said you liked that one better, so I don't know the difference.
Which one? The first one or the second one?
The less expensive one you like.
Yeah, that was the first one. Here comes a rollerblader. There's one of the training 172s taking off.
That'd be fun too if you weren't food falling on your butt. We could strap a bunch of pillows to
This
it.
would be a good place to eat lunch today. All the planes be flying over.
Why did we bring any?
No. Yeah, I didn't bring my gift card, so I'm just going to ask them to hold it for me till I get back.
Well, you better hope it's still there.
Oh, it will be.
I missed the turtle.
Bunch of turtles.
Hi, guys.
Here comes another 172. Gonna go straight over us.
Bunch of them there today.
There goes Nate. I don't know. There's a zillion.
There's a little turtle.
Looks like he's staying in the pattern. And here we are. Colonial. Gotta hang a right. Gotta hang a right. Okay. Going to the truck bike store now, as you might have overheard. Retro. This is the street without a good bike path.